Kurumzari, an encounter with Jinimumba, Ming Tabiru, Muhammad Taram Oxeri, Nasi, a putting nine at Chasarak Bahabatai, a Manaha or a dancer, a choreographer, after Konigu, Nazilgi, putting nine Chasarak Badugi, Nasi, Humsubam, Sum, Aroi Badamini, using Hamataram Oxeri, a Humsuba episode that Konim Sutaram Oxeri. As I saying, see a quick Handakayam and Nungai Bahabatai, which a Kudingidi, Manipur yamna unique oiba kui festival amoi Manipur sangai festival si da kui cherry blossom festival si mau si chawna phajana kui celebrate tomne du yamna unique oiba style da haiba tare ko masi kui Shillong ya ICCR si ke pulla kanda yamna virtual oina puttana handak kui dana adu da Manipur ki chief minister Thomon Biren Jam na launch to buri program si yamna kui social media da haiba tai yamna adu YouTube ta kai da myam si yamna appreciate to bai tare how you kamain to dana wakhalu la kana masi virtually unana bagi magi bele nachum kamain unna ba wakhalu la ke bono karino ada hena pungdo ni je anda thami dak ta khoni.
Okay, first of all I shiki tanja se lojaraga I would like to thank all the viewers who had really like appreciate the event and even the Cheri Nachum Valley se yam appreciate tam pagida magta ina thanks Haizari. The thing is that the three say body organizer oriba akhoi tourism department, Manipur government, and then Indian Council for Cultural Relations Shillong and the organizing committee flower festival mau ko makoi na kanu na bitana handa ki se that because of this pandemic on a physical mode ta ya da the virtual gi through the koina uttana koina masi observe to bangam ba se masi aina yamna agi migrate is personal migrate is yam thaga chaning eduga it was a great experience for me also to be part of it. Event say masiki narok na bagi hotna rak pumata masi da is the we really like it was a hard time for us for 3 to 4 months we seriously have a discussion and the research were there aduna akoina mau the visit chatna dana tawdana mau environment understand tawna ba mau hajiki environment kamai lady and what are the connection with the people out there and all and then how kari aina tawdra kamaina entire events ma kamaina puthusige na khana rappa matamda what really struck me as an artistic director and as a choreographer was that the scenic beauty of the Mau Hill at the Senapati district with the cherry blooming out there was mesmerizing. I have no word to express. It was like a heaven. And when we see it, I'm lost. It was a kind of feeling the bliss complete, like we were taken into another level. Harauba, joy, feeling calm, something very soothing. The sense of beauty was the first striking feeling that I had. Aduda maduki phazaba masuki haibam khandaba yam delicate oiba yamna fragile oiba yamna ingba yamna soothing oiba yamna calm oiba se I want to express it through my dance. I jagoi sida I composition sida I direction sida I happening neba adugi through the express tamning neba. So when maduki composition ke process of making sida start we were thinking a lot and discussing and then we come up with a storyline and develop that akoina flower hire get yam delicate oiba delicate oiba yamna phazaba ingba calm oiba sense of beauty amama sa oiba aruga akoina maitai da su hoi maitai ronda leisabi hai nupim cha se maiden oribase mana youth or pagi magi phazaba mana bloom torpa matam gasu compare to nari hari ba flower gasu leisabi na hari leise aduna madu ki sense ma power akanta what we developed was nupim cha mana cherry ki flower phazakrabase mana magi masam da thet pane ba nacho moina we have in our tradition akoi nachom the tradition to leidana ndana mana na ni thechira mana sanaja basida magi friends sing mata sing sina they were very mesmerized to see her the mother ngaudana moina nangi leise karai dagi phangbano nangi leise akhosu kar pami karai da phangani aina thidana tana basida madugi sanarambadagi mana aroibagi first scene gi aroibasi is the mana composition and the gestures was like she was pointing to the Mount Isho, the Senapati district live Mount Isho to the point toroga Adelaide Mount Hill say Sidani Pangiba Cherry Bloom Tori from a pamdo asidani ta aga Madu duna Maugi entire Pazagraba scenery, the culture, the music, the dance, the traditions, the people out there, how they are adapted in that very beautiful magi environment later madu introduce to paneba jagoisana Cherry na jomsina introduce to paneba and then the entire sequencing sida Cherry na jomgi man introduce to raga Cherry na jom introduce to re mathang the magi space phazakharba scenic beauty to they are very much part of the choreography itself ji part ama oine chathajari ba and the people around that how the children were playing their indigenous game mayam sanajari ba nupi mayam na nuai zari ba moina harau zari ba mayam to because the environment was a symbol of joy and peace aduna people automatically were in the happy mood so then that happy mood joy the song, music, dance was very much compulsory. Aduna madurdai the jagoi isai duga loinana agi choreography solution baneba. Nuai bagi highest level of Janet to yoraga madugi expression the utpaneba. And then musiki process lakpa matam to I would like to thanks Sir Dr. N. Munish Singh, musicologist, who composed the music for this piece. I have a serious discussion with him. Okay, so I asked him and then I request him to create a kind of music, music composition that will really help and enhance the choreography because mood to akoina lejariba mood amang asaina sagachariba phajabagi ingbagi nongaibagi je maduta sohandanaba madugi kanodu the compliment taunaba madubu hana enhance taunana madugi music composition se combine tauraga anob makhalgi mawong amasu oihanba anob experiment amasu tawhan piraga madu taunaba haijarubada one of the finest piece of mana pibirakpadagi maduna su enhance tahon bane agi choreographies tasu and holistic way helise and mind tauraga ngasi develop tauraga ngasi gi Cherry na chom hairiba composition se same ki bane
ngasi belesi tungi haidere future gi plan da yam fazaba kamai to na hes dagi leiba handagi fongiba experience dagi he na more develop tawnaba kari plan tawbule bai
some high base akoina tawjari base contemporary attempt neba some har bata ina hai bato anoba matam sigi generation siga loinana contemporary attempt akoina toropa matam da which is very different from the traditional and the classical haina leiriba tradition da leiriba chatna riba norms kaya du dagi tradition da leiramba machet ama classical ki certain codified of structure ama madude hendoga saigi creative ki element yauro aba matungda contemporary habagi form malai the Cherry na chom hai chai contemporary attempt amane ba handaki tawjari se masida contemporary hairaka andati hoji thoriba issue ta base toba ngasi gi oiba present day da leiba ngasi gi present artist amna madu respond toba and compose toba tuneba adugi mong du da other modern dance contemporary dance haina ma theory tungan bam lei ko west gi aduma ki din natre mogi di structure tungan bam lei jai ai gi di magi wahai gi wahan thok si dai da literal meaning da hairaga ngasi gi thokpa emotion amada wakhalon amada idea amada based toga sembane so the theme was the cherry blooming out there at the mouth and the Jaraba scenic beauty madugi environment sakachaba pot ama oirapa and then with that akoina storyline develop tawkre madu matung the madugi mood and create space na karamba oigadagi ka habase karamba space sagadabno is it a proscenium stage karaida maige amada yengba yaba ko maige mangana yengba yaba maige mahum mari dagi yengba yaba adugumba pot oibra ka habase we yamna minute detail da koi understand taroga khangdaba yadaba pot leidi bako adu ma'am adigi music composition dasu aina sa haijagi do yamna luba adiga kana anobagi matamgi generation da the technology gi achouba thaba ma yausale the thanks to the light engineer, beautifully he had done. Aduna su he na su mapun phan bane phazan bagi machak shi is that. So the entire collective effort was there. Even as it is a virtual event among oira banina camera gi those people are there who are looking after all the editings and all. They have done their very good job in that way. Aduga admain tawdana composition se laakanda on that very day launched over numitto nahan gi kun cherry blossom festival tawba numitda. It was like honorable CM was so like happy to express his appreciation, express his feeling, and then he really appreciate it and my work. And then he mana apam khara thamjare that akhoi gi cheri na chom se, because it is going to be an event chahi khuding gi tawdaya tabba chahi gi sangai festival ga su part amu oiduriba aduna international gi standard ta su masi he na su handa ki matang da su global gi kanoda loina ma ure haijari ba ko handa ki matang ji na su adu appreciation sum global da gi dum phangjare ko other countries in this appreciation yam phangjare hai tare hajik baw su lep 3 appreciation se. And maduda lerpaduna what he really felt and wished to pase mana on the shatter pase that hundreds of Mau girls ko sida Imphal da puraktana, and then we as a resource person to go to the Mau hill and understand the environment, the culture, the music, dance, Ladybird dance music to so hen explore to hanba. Aduga hariba nupimcha chamasiga associate tauraga exact choreography cheri na choma hariba choreography se tambiraga semaga masi se tungdala kadaba event sing sida masi utnanaba masi taunanaba have a project amana apamba mathambire. Aduga and I'm lucky enough that madugi tawdo ek tawbang ngamna basu hotna ge na khali, and I'm planning to visit Mau as well to have a interaction with other people around there, and then mo gi lairi ba mawong kono su he na aina in touch ta lairaga understand tawna basu hotna ri hajiksu. Aduga maybe I hope so pandemic situation se kar subside tawgi na normal se laaga se things could work out as soon as possible.
God bless you.
Thank you.
School, college, dance academy, Manipur dance college, Manipur University of Culture, Manipur University, etc. So, hang up the letter, sing sister again. Sinda Kari with a PA Maruina Koyamna, enthusiastic or ba aduga inspiration inspired to me amalay habitariko masis na akogi layba atungba malim saktaiba aduba dance form lemyam singse mas kari orakpa ya haba kari observation in tham.
See Manipuri dance ngasigi pibam sita layba hairagati any corner of the world globe sita is the Manipuri dance khangdaba laite. It's so popular and we are proud of it, and being an artist and being a Manipuri dancer, I'm proud of it. Aduga at the same time hajik lady matam se yamna critical oiba yamna section gadaba matam amasu oi kaigino ta ngasai akoina hajikti jagoi ama performance ama utpa matamda why how when who have a question raised out of which we are supposed to be very careful. Aduna because sigi understanding sima sigi knowledge haitareko the basic knowledge, the root, the foundation of Manipuri dance karino karai de lege habase akhoi ki jagoi se karino akhoi ki dance ki essence kari oipam thui ka habase khangna lebigadaba knowledge to akhoi khangna chatbigadaba masigi matam ama laabani. Otherwise see akhoi handak to su controversy kaya ama thokre akhoi Dhaka University ki assistant professor I find this one Tamanna Rahman ki akhoi tabiramani media da there was a huge like these things happen that Manipuri dance were originated for some other like something like that. Adu ki poche thoglo oi have a lative. So we are in such a condition that even though akoi gi jagoi se malem da yamna masak khangbidana yamna phawba taragasu at the same time we are in a very aruba tanpham amada su lei ha base khoi khanpham thongi khanthafam su thoi aduna masigi poche khoina kamai tawgani haba matam da khoi yamna khangna yamna checksin na hotnaba sima changi hojiki na haron singsida yamna aina hygienic batiko yam talented oiba artist lei ko without much training laitana su adum ekta moise yengbadagi tawbadagi imitate tawraga se haiyeba moise adum maksu yam pai but I get sincere request if they love this art form dedicate to biyo matam khaidok biyu dedicate to biyu oja guru una biyu hena naina biyu khangbiyu culture khangbiyu tradition khangbiyu madu khangna nangi isana tawgada wi thabak to khangna tawbiyu ba because there will be a time when you perform you will mayam appreciate tawraga nang when they ask nangi madugi behind the lady ba poto madugi background madun naina rapa matamta madugi interpretation ke ama tholok tana ba misconception me ama create tawna ba gita tawok tana ba damakta hena knowledge tu matum da mamutana hena understand tawraga hona biyu have a sincere request ama thamja
ba wa phomni adu makata la sning se khuiga manipur gi leiriba khoge leiriba sing khoge dancer me ama leidana ko masle tan haju tak pi re du koi kitang tamaga sai dun imitate tawrakanda khoina mina ad ulurakanda hanga kana khumbanga moi da phom su lei duga kanagumba kharana su masam sagi ta claim dono sai ne bidni bangladesh ki tawba even na koi gi si umorok si khoi matam sana khoina magi khoi mapu agu ownership to loban ngam hodana mi na oji ba khum su leina sai si da khoina khoi gi tongan tuan ba dance form me am le ga su mix up to ga su natraga khoi bunchal laga su taseng badu khanghan badu tangai phadi hebsi kari mo leina
masi yam chumba wani taseng was khangda ba yada bani kaigina little knowledge is very dangerous I say si praman maksine khoi thu ije aduna jagoi da di akhoi malem da masak khangna bani na yamna popular oi thokraba but critically naina badu ti yam watle haijaning but lucky enough we have 2 universities now that we have dance ki subject thambirappa Manipur University leire and then Culture University amasu leire khoi laibak yam phambani university is the highest level of nainana bagi tamnana bagi mapham amane ba we are very lucky to have them aduna high mapham chu la akanta di akoina karamba mawongda karamba inputs hapaga artists sing students sing dance students sing music ki or so dance ki or so theater ki or so culture ki lamda leiriba sing se sis this the karamba syllabus nainaraka karamba wakhalon nainaraka karamba mawong the methodology sizinaraka he na magi enhance career to the enhance aba magi holistic oba growth ama scholar ama develop being a performer achi chatna ba but we have to be very careful syllabus sine be amna koina naina dose syllabus naina dose kai gino habata literature dai lakpa or any other subject ama dai lakpa mana performing art khangdoi ba aduga madu dai ta master oisalakpa sidi that is very I won't advise to do that because that would lead to many kind of misinterpretation performing arts haibasiti isana perform tawdringai ai best perform tawdringai I cannot explain the best out of it ai balairik amada leiramba pot ama khakta say for example khutki khutik se kun irene sa movement ja taw haina hakchang duna the right hand to be left to the elbow length thair se ba ko practice leiba mi ma that is kuche chat naw na thangkhala kani ba ko but to somebody ordinary meme that the ma se swai da mu thambra ma practice like ma tawrakani ba se isana practice to fully mana thomai yauna man hotnaraga jagoi sida mana expertise oiraba matung da madu ta theoretical oiba pot ma thara akanda madu da simultaneously chalakpado adukanda ne ba complete oiduse aruna both the theory as well as the practical say it should go in the balance together simultaneous na chatpham thoeba. So the syllabus of Bodo University, especially for the culture, especially for Manipuri dance ki damaktadi yamna kupna yam section na leigadamne hajiki akhoi leijari bajasu aduga amaromdana akhoi gi traditional school ki port amasu leijari traditional school ki port na leijna akhoi oja guru dagi tamjaruba yum dagi orasu institution ki amala punguru parampara leise sigi leiba mayam sigi su masigi tunga anba magi magun ma leijari sisu connect tawna bo honan ga dabane ba masisu connect to halaga kamai tawraga du tari how we syllabus ta kamaina akoina structure je thamgada ge habase sigi important oiba yamna mathaudang ma lei haitare masigi mathau tai haijari ba masigi post ta kuni yingchen bam changi se se haijani
yam phaja hum to me ai marak sida tin ron to lobjake break matung da khoi tongan ton ba lai kyam su form re duga future plan na kai le duga hajit leiba manipur ki jagoi si inkhalaiba youth sing sina hena pamna ba adu hena khangna ba kari to khonin ba pam ba lebi ke lasige so viewers ai marak sida tin ba brem lobjake break matung da yam chunu manjare break matung da me utaram okseri ai dr khuni laksining si maruina ai sa thamjagi ba dun hajit leiba manipur ki achoba hai tare ya ma tha wangba manipur ki dance form ji hajit leiba inkhalaiba na singai tare ji ton ba technology aduga leiba ji social media gi leiba information technology gi aduga mobile phone da ngawdana adagi mayam singa sida hena more attract oina ba aduga khoi masi akhoi extra curricular activities mayam tore aduga vocational course oina su leiba khoi ton ba syllabus hoi university ki thakta leire inkhalakpa matam sidagi ngasai gi khoina magi gifted talent su yom ragasu kuna akhoi gi ba manipur di akhoi di ta ding ding hai pok pada akhoi gi hainen ba mayam su lei ko ta ding ban nang kot pana han ha ba akhoi lei pu na si hen more attract oina ba akhoi kari to bada kai oina as a doctorate amoina kai
see anything por ama khudimakta magi rehearse to ba se practice to ba aduga madudai the focus toraka hina concentrate toraka work to ba habesna magi final end magi production is one of the best boy hijani ko even though if there are certain people around and certain artists are there young artists mayama if they are sincerely muina dedicated to the man pamjaraga di jagoi se please come forward ko come forward and Manipur is a place where dance music se ample the ko masigi machak se nainari kai explore ngai loiba nai tra mafam amane ba aduga haiba mafam asida hena mata dedicate tawdana yauraga hotna ba sida is the mere hobby nataba ko hobby oina leijaraga su kaide because it's a kind of a healing process amasu oiri jagoi se in today's world that ko because it have helped a lot in this pandemic situation sidasu mo aigi jagoi isai se it's a kind of a healing process ko in medical term this yam le high ko therapy oina su use tongna ri ko ko jagoi se aruna smai ta is if they are interested if my you know like youngsters are there they are please come forward and nang magi personal career wise oina su magi career da oina sem dana marudai da promote obasu matu yam phai haijaningi at the same time masigi akoina section gada ba hai tare aina ngasai su punja khare ko jenjang gada ba di performance oriented oina ma performer modung oina legi haba but in this fast changing matam ki global ki change amala ise sidati things are not mere performance khatang na loiba yadaba ko there are certain khoina high da ba yadaba reason p da ba yadaba tak da ba na leg time ka se lecture dan demonstration ka se yam compulsory oi khala iba se sigi matang ama yausala aba being a performer oina su scholar ama ki quality mu build up tawda ba yadaba matam am oisala eba ko si oira kan di madu ki kanu me am se hapkala ke hai taragati what are we needed so we need a proper understanding the theoretical background of that art form so what is that then interdisciplinary studies yam darkar le ebako in order to understand the real essence of the Manipuri dance we need to understand the cultural history of the place we need to understand the social background we need to understand the kind of aesthetic body structures in eba many things are there other the process of making that art form simyam sin naina gada baneba then only we can understand the real essence of the Manipuri dance I was a haizaning
okay maruna su khogi inkhalei ba na sing haiba tele kuna primary class tagi bu ro lower class tagi bu ro khogi dance si compulsory wena ko syllabus taga hapa kan do he na khoi mana pam basu pam lay ko syllabus ko mana hapada kana galing kham ko
Yes, definitely. I was very much there. I get 10, 19 the masi introduced to them. I don't know why they are not introducing. I say expert amo in inviter of the night board to each cherry. Masi is a yauzuri committee member amo oina. Adu quire madu 2012 I think so. Adwai the tau krabane hajibawa implement out I don't know why. Masi tawum sa thokpane. Kay you know the Manipur se jagoi sa ina suma sakta even beside sports ko. Aruna hen encourage to be gadabani hen to be rakadamni open to be dana and then it is kind of a physical gi khoi yoga gi mawong da khoi se isagi hakchangi kanu to bagi exercise method amasu oizari ba ko and very much important for the daily khoi gi satra da su angang da su hen magi daily life the daily routine gi life the apaba part of an exercises in the living standard amada madu darkar leba matam amasu oira abane ba masi gi po se di implement am thuna implement tawbiraga tawhaninge aduga tawbadabu tawu matam da karamba ngasai karam criteria karamba area karmain tawbigadam ne habase masi yam kupna khanabiba and how it's going to affect the student, how it's going to affect the student in the higher class and then further maduduna han loy hawra matung the PhD thorok tarkana the angang amagi career ma semaktana madugi masa ma tholakadunina and that too will be representing Manipur have magi culture jagoi naina baga music naina ba Manipuri culture naina ba se yamna loy because it is always associated with the identity of the state the identity of the people.
yam nungai ba haitare adu doctor gi akhoi gi tongan to lai ani habite ko litteras ne dibyaras sabamuga adu koi dance buki habamuga ani si akhoi phongbi masi publisher oi adu masi wakaram bo khalu lagina masi akhoi na phongbi
ngasai gi aina haijabado akhoi gi ngasi gi youth sing sidai su ai haijahoge akhoi gi two responsibility layeba ko responsibility ani je kaino ahan bada akhoi na Mangi gadawraba art form kayama revive tawnaba hotnaba se akhoi responsibility neba that is nityaras amasung divaras haise jagi ras makhal ahum amadi maharas kunjaras basantaras haise di kunung da tawda yadaba ritual amada lei khreba ras makhal nityaras amasung divaras haiba ras ani sidi khulakta sanaba ko kunung da di tawdaba do city practice is tawtreba mangi tawreba aduna I bring up this text so that madu revive tawna bagi aingonda madu gi thona ma wakhalon ama phawrtana ngi hotla jabane ba adagi ti masi gi wakhalon se aina su haji ki youth sing sida so aina haijaning isine ba revive tawna hotna ba ma secondly anoba idea kara semgatlaba innovative idea khara lokhatlaga anoba wakhalon the base taroga anoba body language semaga anoba wakhalon gi anoba structure anoba way of interpretation se through the body movements is to experiment tawba se akhoi gi diet ta neba youth amagi so that we anoba wakhalon ama anoba experiment am puthokna bagi su adagi di sagi dance book ke na haijari basina akhoina 2019 da international symposium am pamthoki experts from like Elena Sitaristis Patmasri from Italy then Yana from the this one Belarus, Maria from Russia, international scholar mayamama dancer mayamama yawa adagidi India manung dresu renowned artists and dancers and experts were there all together Manipur dai su yawraga koi collective oiba symposium numit humni chupna pakthong chagi Manipur University da with the ICCR and the Culture University ko adagi international gi dance the based of international symposium ni maduda tawgibadu ki final article mayam thokiba thodoktugi interaction program lecture mayam do madu loina punjal laga compile taraga madu aina edit tawjaraga like putoksabani so that it will help to the all the dance artists and dance enthusiasts whoever loved it to just it can great help for them.
Dancer ama aduga composer ama natraga koi choreograph ama sei as a career oina low adum yarabra maru ina koina khangnaba say 10+2 lorkana mari doctor mari engineer mari IT adu khanaba du dance as a career duga masi akoi gi profession amoina phajana adum low yarabra masina adum hingbagi livelihood te so to machinga pang mangam kai mo
for me yes if seriously taken seriously lawdana magi subjections that devote or dedicate or it is a subject that we can be taken as a career ma shape tawna bo hotna ba sembaya because government job doesn't mean that government job phanga tawde ya have for me I have this opportunity but ngasi di there are number of entrepreneur gi port ama world ama la abane isana isagi own institution ama develop if I have the potential if I have the potential, then I can have my own school where I can provide many knowledge, when I can share many knowledge, I own dance, I own culture, I own way that I can relate it to the world. Yabanina, Masigi say in a Kanbada school college, the Sunga Sai Panbigreco, say Hapak Naviki Wakalonsu, as it lay in a Taze, because I was very much part of it, and then Masing as to university level, the Nasi de Tagtasu, Hangdo Piraktana, Masi University Tag, and Naina than a Canada and a lady, or go overall the in a hygienic Manipuri dance, the worldwide the Pamna than Yengna than a popular or than a later put in Masiti, Hena Queen Hena Changjan Pam to even Hena Queen Masi Hotnamina Machangi, Mrs. Hyson.
Okay, Lashalabada, Dr. Carnegie, future plan habitat, any institute Bahang, Labor, Rahang, Brakarito, Kali Sigi, Phyllis the long years, 7 years old, the Tawaba Ponina, Hazi Power, that's a contract above the journey, see dance journey, see Lavani, Makata Nakari, future plan, Kali, and dream projects.
Dream project is that I'm a teacher now. I'm a teacher. I have been sharing my whatever I have in my knowledge. I'm trying to share it with my fellow beings and my students. And then I publish many of the books and the articles for based on Manipuri dance, so that it will be a great help for many of the people around. Even though near the latest mapan arapa the latest, it will be a help. And then at the same time, being a choreographer, I tunganba on my isagi personal way, so I have been choreographing Chikisu Lepalite, and then new attempt Tori, a noble choreographer Mapangi, experts in Ziga, renowned experts in Ziga, Tanaraga, Pullaga collaboration work Toraga, a noble idea, a noble innovative idea, Miama Lokalaga, a quick Jaguish, the quick cultures, the implement Toraga, Kari Tokpaya, a noble experimental way, having a Wakalon to Sodom Tamzari, and at the same time, a noble vocal institution, just so definitely I love to have my own institution where I can be, I have my freedom to share my knowledge and whatever experimental way I would say. But because I'm associated with the institution, but in some time near future, I have plans that aduga tungdasu aina project kaya amasu leire haji Rukmani lakadobaga lady ballet ama already ready the lady, and then haji ki cherry na chum chisu amne appreciate tawbidna lady chisu hen expand tawraga already this ma chauna magi leijabani because of the virtual labor the damakta khoi to katang lifetime limitation tawgibani adugi achobama khoi haji mangda taraga lady masida natana atopa kaya amasu tawgi habagi ayu wakalon leijai.
Okay, lochalakpada Nasai ko yingman week sang na yingaiba apugi Dr. Carnegie exclusive interview ko an encounter with Jitningomba yingiba viewers sing no na Manipuri kalaiba naha sing sida kari pausal message beginning and
my message is that we have very important responsibilities being a Manipuri dancer especially, because akoi se generation ama gap ama lakadore, that is senior mayam ama yamna thukre adug lehauri basing tu yamna people mama da leire duna it is our responsibility to carry the culture, carry dance in our best way and revive tawna ba hotna ba leiri ba potu su preserve tawna ba hotna ba daitani. At the same time, try new experiment, another wakalon, another innovative idea kara lokhat laga another attempt tawna ba so hotna view have is thamning.
Okay, last Lady Manipur artists Mayam say Mira Ibiri, Habigi, Machoba Columns, Lai, Manipur, Lega Sukaramagi, Pelsin Pina Ba, Karitona Baduga, Magi honor to Wigisi, we had Aiba Sumangare, Duga, artist Sumangare, Masiki paint a book long, Kamusuga, Lady Ba, Tiny Ledger, Eva Mam, sing seated, and the Gila Eva Mam, or Jassing Sida, Karito Honima Manipur, Lega do say I know something as far as I observe, like when there are any kind of honor for this in the field of dance and in the field of sports, sports kidi facilities say am pi bako. I see katang kano to na hijara baniko sing na hire bata. I experience to hijake when I was in the DM college ko. I had to roam around, I had to move around and record taking the leave from the but when I return back home, I not chatlu so I culture, I libaki oba, I isagi oba identity me am the spirit of the Manipur culture, ucharu banebako. At the same time, matam da halap matam da I percentage casura se hangi eva class attend topiki. But on the other hand, sports ki yauriba amadu the more the credit mark on big reba.
So these are the happening I experience personal ta, and at the same time masiki posima we are selling the same boat, I guess so, even though subject manager so aduga promotion tawbagi sports isune akhoi gi kitang di wat prana khale ko kharasu I focus tawaninge because jagoi isai haisu manipur gi damakta chu yamna leba ki oina masa khangaba worldwide masa khangena saijari ko hena su encourage tor bi raga chi hena su patronize tor bi raga chi hena su dedicate taw su helakani kaya marom aduga akhoi gi tendency im su lai akhoi su kya thokande opan thopugi tendency se we may taste go we Manipuris are na khoi ji khara su lai adu machu su break to ma change adu we explore to change adu to bu sang aduga adu dana tana ngasi su hena aphaba hena maigai se chakhotna na bagi pulap na collective effort ama change na khale.
Okay, thank you very much for giving your precious time for the Times of Manipur and encounter with Jinengumba. Different project lady ba Dr. Gilay ma'am sing lay ma'am say my pang na left na bakto pura tung da su hari ba koi Manipuri dance na he na pagatana he na si pamzaba ma'am throw voice na bu ham thamraga kasigidi kani na goya thangizeri inebisi.
Thank you.
Okay viewers, an encounter with Jinengumba kasigidi matang asle ne ton ba atop lay ba political gi lay ba art and culture lay ba sports lay ba atuba ton ba extracurricular activities lay ma'am sing si unaraga an encounter with Jinengumba program hona jage Masigidi, viewer the Gising the Gay kind of Pine Virus.